Well guys, figured I make a video about this since I know a lot of you guys might be familiar using one of these portable heater fans, and I want to tell you a story. If you're thinking about buying them, here are a few things you want to consider. Number one, just be aware that these things can trip breakers sometimes. Yeah, they can actually trip a breaker. Number two, they could literally set the house on fire. So if you're thinking of buying a heater fan like these or any brand, you might want to think twice before you buy. So that's it. Thanks for watching.